Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss some of the proving questions from set theory. Proving questions are to be done using the properties and De Morgan's laws. But the first basic fact when a question is given, show that or prove that, or is it true or false, these kind of headings. The first thing what should happen in our mind is we think of examples, simple sets, simple examples. And if we are able to locate one example which shows that the situation is false, then you can quote an example and write that it is false. But if you are not able to locate an example for false, that means the statement is true, and when the statement is true, we have to prove it in general, right? So, if I look at the first statement, which is A equal to A intersection B union A minus B, before I go to that, understand A minus B is difference of two sets, which also is called as B removed from A. So, if I have this as A and this as B, B removed from A, that means this is A minus B. And you understand this is also same as A intersection B dash, because B dash would be everything except B and its intersection with A will be the same. So when we have proving questions, we would be replacing A minus B as A intersection B dash. So if I come to the first question of this list, it is RHS is A intersection B union A minus B. So I write this as A intersection B union A minus B is A intersection B dash. Now A intersection is distributed, so we take it back, right? Opposite of distributive property we are doing, that is A intersection B union B dash. Now B union B dash, Venn diagrams are the best tools to understand. This is B. So this is B. Its union with B dash would be this. This is B dash, right? So B union B dash, that is union means everything, right? So that means it will be U. So A intersection U would be A. That is, we have proved the first part, which says A intersection B union A minus B is A. Let's move on to the second part. And we know P of A intersection B, that means power set of A intersection B. Power set is set of all subsets, right? We have to prove P of A intersection B is P of A intersection P of B, right? So this is power set of A intersection B. That means its elements are going to be sets. So I take, let capital X be subset or belong to power set of A intersection, right? Now elements of power set would be set, therefore I have taken capital X, right? Elements of the power set of A intersection B would be sets, so it is capital X. Now capital X belongs to power set of A intersection B. It means X is a subset of A intersection B. That is why it is present in the power set. X is a subset of A intersection B means X is a subset of A and X is a subset of B because intersection means and. Now X is a subset of A, that means X belongs to power set of A, it will be in power set of subsets of A, and X will belong to power set of B, that will be in, then only it is a subset of B, that means X belongs to power set of A, X and X belongs to power set of B, that will mean X belongs to power set of A intersection power set of B. That means all elements in A intersection B power set are in power set of A intersection power set of B. That means power set of A intersection B is a subset of power set of A intersection power set of B. Right? Now I have shown first part is subset of second part. If I show second part is subset of first part, that means they become equal, right? So this is half part of our proof. Now I am going to work on the second portion of this, and that is now I take element in power set of A intersection power set of B. So for that, suppose I take, now let Y belong to power set of A intersection power set of B, right? So that means Y belongs to power set of A, and because it is intersection, Y belongs to power set of B. Now this will mean Y is a subset of A. You understand where we are using the notation belongs to and where we are using the notation subset. And this is Y would be subset of B. Now Y is subset of A, Y is subset of B means Y is subset of A intersection B. Right? That will show Y belongs to power set of A intersection B. That means all elements of power set of A intersection power set of B are in power set of A intersection B. That implies power set of A intersection power set of B is a subset of power set of A intersection B. And if you remember, earlier we have proved power set of A intersection B is a subset of power set of A intersection power set of B. Now, X is a subset of Y and Y is a subset of X, means X is equal to Y, that is A intersection B power set is equal to power set of A intersection power set of B, and that completes the proof of the second question. That is, we have to prove equality. So what we have done, we have proven that this is a subset of this and then this is a subset of this, and that proves equality between both of them. Coming to the third part of this list for proving questions, say I have A union B minus A. I want to prove that it is A union B. Again, I am going to replace B minus A. A union B minus A would be B intersection A dash, which we discussed in the beginning. Now, distributive property A union B intersection A union A dash. Now, A union B intersection A union A dash would be U. Now, A union B is intersection with U, that is universal set, would be A union B, and that's RHS, and hence we have proved this. That is, the proving questions in set theory are very logical, and also they need properties and De Morgan's laws and all. Also, Venn diagram is a very effective helper, I would say, so that you can understand the situation, you can visualize the situation and prove the given question. Okay, so work on these questions. Best of luck.